Hello everyone, welcome back again to the Trading Lab. So this afternoon we just closed another beautiful trade, another TP, and I want to share the analysis with you on how we're able to bag 700 pips on the NASDAQ. Most of you may know it as US Tech, NAS 100, US 100. It doesn't really matter. We got another TP, and I'm going to be showing you how we did that. So let's go into the charts. First and foremost, what you're looking at on the screen is called NASDAQ, NAS 100, US Tech, whatever you want to call it. So first of all, we can all see that the market structure for this particular market is bullish, right, on the daily time frame. But that notwithstanding, we have here a resistance level. All right, just want to keep things simple for you guys so that you don't overcomplicate things yourself. And then we have here a trend line. And you can see here that prior to this particular time, that's a few days ago, we did not have a break of that trend line structure yet. And then on this particular day, which was Wednesday of last week, we now had a break of that trend line. So at this point, I now went to the 4-hour time frame, and having noted that price was very stubborn, not wanting to break this particular resistance level here, I was very confident in the fact that we may have some short-term sales coming in. So where was my target for the sales? I was expecting that at most we should have price targeting this very next level at this particular point over here. So with that, I was very vigilant on the 4-hour time frame. So what exactly did I see? We can see that we had price moving bullish, up, down, and then we now had price sweeping above these highs, taking out liquidity, whatever it is you may want to call it. And then we now had our change of character or our market structure shift, also breaking below that particular trend line. And then price now started moving upwards towards this other part of the trend. Now, if you would notice, this same thing was talked about in the previous video we did on GBP/USD, and I described this pattern as a head and shoulders pattern. You should look into that, and if you don't know what it is, you can do well to subscribe to our channel to know more, or you can register for any of our online programs at beoforexacademy.com. So this is exactly what I saw. So from here, I just went down to my lower time frame to find confirmations for my entry. So let's see how that happened. So I went to the 1-hour time frame on the NASDAQ, and I just looked for my bit of confirmations and other things like that. So the very first thing I focused on was this particular minor level that was forming at this other level here. So when price came to this level and I saw multiple rejections at this particular point, you can count the number of candles that were there. As price started, breaking forth from that place, that is where I had my entry, and then I now had my stop loss just above here and my TP all the way down, covering up to 700 pips. Yep, so that is the trade that we just closed this afternoon in massive profit. If you want to trade with us, do well to join our Telegram channel. It is absolutely free. We drop live signals there as often as the market gives that to us. So don't forget, we are going to be dropping live market directions, directional bias, and all of that every week across all our social media platforms. So if you want to be part of that, all you need to do is just be active across all our social media, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, YouTube, everywhere. Just follow us everywhere so that you don't miss that. And also, if you're in our Telegram channel, you also get to benefit because we'll be dropping those directions and the signals that follow with that. So this was the analysis. This was the trade we took. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share, and follow, and happy trading.